This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine, so let me do exactly that. After the application was successfully installed, you can just go ahead and launch it. And in here, make sure that the timeout parameter was set to the infinite value, or was set to be infinite. And as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close this app, your screen will not automatically turn itself off at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.